Hello and welcome back. So today we're going to be making some bread halwa, and with nothing else to say, let's go into it. The things we need here are pretty minimal. So we need some mixed dry fruits, sugar, some water, some cut up bread, we're using wheat bread, ghee, and also some oil. Now we need to fry the cut up bread in the oil, but you can also use some ghee. We used oil here. After you fried them, add sugar into another pot. Then add in some water to it and let it boil. After it's done boiling, add in the cut up fried bread pieces from earlier. Then you mix it in and let it soak in to become thicker. Mix it until it becomes thicker, or you can leave it and mix it in little by little too. Here you can see that it's become thicker now. Keep stirring. In a smaller pot, add in a spoon or two of ghee and let it melt. Now add in the dry fruits. Fry them in the ghee for a while. After fried, add it in the bread mixture from earlier with the ghee. Mix some more. Make sure that the nuts and ghee are fully mixed in. And your halwa is ready. This is one of my favorite sweets, and it's also very easy to make. Hope you liked the recipe, and thank you for watching.